What's up, Glam Squad, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these bee press-on nails. I didn't have anything much in mind, so this is kind of a little bit of a freestyle. So I just wanted to show you how I do my press-ons. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure to hit that like button on your way out and make sure to watch the video until the end, guys. I'm not gonna talk too much, so let's get started. Alright, so first thing is first, I'm going to be removing the shine off the press-on nails, and these press-on nails are from Kiara Sky. These are the long coffin, and I'm going to be using my Melody Susie E file to remove the shine. And the reason why I do this is because I feel like when the nail has a rough surface, the gel polish does tend to stay on longer than leaving it shiny. So I would definitely recommend this step. It's totally optional. You do not need an e-file for it. You could use a regular hand file, but just keep in mind it will take longer. And after I do this, I will be going in with a nail buffer just to smooth out the surface. After the filing and the buffing, I'm going to go ahead with my Valentino Beauty Pure base coat. So I want to take a second and kind of rave about these gel liner gel polishes, and the brand is Kusa, I believe it's pronounced. I'm not too sure, but I bought these on Amazon and they are great. And honestly, I've been using them in almost all of my press-on nail sets, and they're very easy to work with. The consistency is amazing. It's not too thick, and honestly, the pigmentation of the colors, they are like amazing. So if you are interested in purchasing them, I will leave them in the description box below. I haven't used the Kiara Skyliners, but a lot of people were saying that this is like a great dupe to them, and it brings, I believe, 24 colors, and I think I paid only like $30 for them. So yeah, like I said, I will link them down below. By the way, I want to apologize. I know the lighting in this video is a little off, but it's because my ring light was acting up a little bit. So I was just using natural lighting. So you will see that some parts of the video it is a little brighter than others. So I apologize for that. These are how the pinkies came out. So now we're going to move on to the middle finger. For the middle finger, I went ahead with Valentino Beauty Pure 048, and I did 2 coats of those on each nail. After the gel polish, I'm going to go ahead with my MAC Art Rhinestone Glue to go ahead and glue my little nail charm, which is a cute little bee. And I actually purchased that on Shein for very cheap. The pack brings, I believe, 10, and I think it was about maybe $1 or $2. If you're interested, the link is in one of my sorry guys, I'm losing my train of thought. It is so early. But it is in one of my nail hauls from Shein. I will link it above if you guys are interested. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure this, and I'll be right back. So as you guys maybe have noticed in my videos, I don't do finger by finger. I kind of just do one random finger like at a time. I guess I kind of go by what the design is. So I always do the design that takes me longer first. So right now I'm going in with my thumb. After 2 coats of that gel polish, I'm going to be sticking on my little stickers. I also got these from Shein as well, and they're also in the nail haul. So I will link it up above again. If you're interested in purchasing them, just go ahead to the description box below and all the links will be there. So this is how the set looks so far. So now I'm going to be using number 1 from Kusa liners, and it is just their gold. I wish I kind of had of a more yellow gold, but it's alright. It kind of matches the little bee charm, so I figured might as well use this for the index finger. So this is how it looks so far, and last but not least, we're doing the ring finger. So I'm going to be using Valentino Beauty Pure's white gel polish as my base, which is going to be number 045. I only did 1 coat of the white because this white is pretty thick and very opaque, so it just needed 1 swatch. To be honest with you guys, I wasn't sure what I was going to do on this nail, so I went on Google and looked at other nail designs for inspiration, and I ended up just doing little drips of honey, but since it's gold, you can't really tell that it's honey, so yeah. But I do kind of struggle doing these little drips. They're not as easy as they look, or maybe I just overthink it too much. But every time I do them, I have to redo them at least twice for them to look good. But I will say the dotting tools definitely help. Alright guys, so this is the end result of the press-on nails. So this is where the lighting started getting a little funky. I totally apologize, but I am actually in love with this nail set. I've been wanting to do a little bee set for a while, and I actually am very happy how these came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy these type of videos, let me know in the comment section below, and I will definitely do more of these. Or if you have any design suggestions, please let me know. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this nail set. Don't forget to hit that like button before heading out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post. And of course, share, share, share. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye. P.S. These nails will be available on my Etsy store. So if you do like this design, they're going to be up by this weekend. So make sure you check it out, guys.